Hello folks, in this video we will see Python dictionaries. In previous part we have learned how to create dictionaries in Python, inserting items in a dictionary and updating value corresponding to any key. In this video we will learn how to create dictionary with nested lists, creating nested dictionary, adding an element in a dictionary, removing an element from dictionary using delete keyword, loop through all the keys inside a dictionary, also loop through all the values in a dictionary. Let's start creating dictionary with the help of nested lists, that is, list containing lists inside it. Here I am creating a list containing lists inside it. This is the outer square bracket. Within this I have taken 3 lists with the keys 1, 2 and 3 and the corresponding values A, B and C. To convert this nested list into a dictionary, I am assigning it to a variable myDict and using the keyword dict and putting the nested list within braces. Let's run this statement and check the value by printing myDict. Let's run and see the list is converted into a dictionary. Let us now create nested dictionary. That means dictionaries inside dictionary. Here I am taking a dictionary myDict, inside it with the key 1 taking corresponding value as a dictionary having 2 pairs of keys and values. I am taking another key 2 inside myDict and for corresponding value I am taking another dictionary with 2 key value pairs. Let's run this cell. The output shown is the dictionary which is having keys and the corresponding values as dictionaries. Now we are going to add elements in a dictionary. To do this, I am creating an empty dictionary myDict and run this cell with printing myDict. You can see that myDict is an empty dictionary. There is no element inside it. To add an element, we use the name of the element as myDict here, followed by square bracket enclosing with the key. I am taking 0 here as a key and assign a value using equal sign followed by the value corresponding to it. Here I am assigning an string A which is to be assigned to this key. Now check the myDict. It is not empty now and containing element with key 0 and value A. Similarly, you can add any number of key value pairs. You can add any number of key value pairs within this dictionary, but you must take unique keys. Let's run this and check the value of myDict by printing myDict. Let's run this cell. You can see there are multiple values which we have inserted in the dictionary myDict with keys 0, 1, 2 and 3 with the corresponding values A, B, C and D. To remove an element using delete keyword, write del keyword followed by dictionary name. Here myDict is the dictionary followed by square bracket and putting the key which needs to be deleted. Here I am using the key 0, pressing enter. This statement will remove the element from dictionary myDict. Let's check the value of myDict. We will see it by running this cell. Let's run it. It has deleted the key value pair 0 and A which is not present in the dictionary myDict. Now we will see to print and loop through all the keys inside the dictionary. Here I am taking this dictionary myDict with these values and keys. We will use for loop here for key in myDict which is our dictionary and key is the variable and print key. It will print all the keys within myDict. You can use any variable in place of this key, it will also print all the keys. Let's run this. You can see all the keys from dictionary mydict has been printed here. You can clearly see that this 0, 1, 2 and 3, all 4 keys has been printed here. To print all the values, we will do the same using for loop, but in print statement we will put dictionary name followed by this key variable within a square bracket. Let's run this. It will loop through all the values in the dictionary. Let's run this. You can see here all the values with the corresponding keys printed above has been listed here. That's all for this video. See you in next video. Thanks for watching.